Introducing GoPro Hero 10 waterproof action camera with a free microphone in black. The powerful new GP2 engine has responsive touch controls and double the frame rate for smooth footage. It boasts of a full 1080 pixels LCD display as well as live stream with hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization in 1.4 inches screen size. It has built-in mounting fingers and a touch rear screen. This waterproof camera gives 23 megapixel photos and 5.3K HD video resolution at 60 fps. The 8x slow motion is at 2.7K while the Hero 10 offers double the frame rate. It comes with a lithium-ion battery and easy Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB connectivity. The box contains the Hero 10 Black, battery, Type-C cable, mounting and thumb screw, microphone and 64GB memory card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.